Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up payment methods on Shopify. So all you have to do is just scroll down until you can see this add payment methods, then click on activate. So from here, you can start with setting up your payment providers just by clicking on choose a provider. So this is only applicable if you're going to add a third-party payment providers. Just choose from the options. And you have a choice here to either contact the provider or install. And next, you can also see here the supported payment methods section. And as you can see, we have already PayPal right here. And all you're going to do is to complete your PayPal account setup so you can start receiving payouts from PayPal. Or if you want another payment method, just click on Add Payment Method, sample, Gcash. We're going to select that. We can try selecting Hit Pay. The same with earlier, you can either contact the provider and install. So once done, all the changes you've made will be automatically be saved. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!